Hello, what is up mga moms or sir ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila. And today we are going to unbox and review the Grey Hulk and Dr. Bruce Banner from Marvel Legends series, Marvel Avengers Beyond Earth's Mightiest. Ayan, Rain Cifra. Dibs ko to sa La Cantina en Manda. Ayan, pumunta kayo dito mga moms sir if you want to buy some toys, Marvel Legends, and halo-halo mga moms sir. Comment dibs to claim the items. Must be GCash ready. Yan yung mga post niya. Location, Capitolio, Pasig City. Shout out to La Cantina and Manda for this very cool action figure. 4,499 yung SRP niya. Pero nakuha ko lang to ng around 2,000 pesos only. Yan. Ito yung mga accessories. And meron din siyang Bruce Banner na action figure. Ito yung Hulk. Grabe, ang ganda. Okay, measure na agad natin. Si Bruce Banner stands around 6 inches tall. And si Hulk naman stands around 8.5 inches tall. And yung width niya 6 inches. Grabe ito mga moms. Sobrang ganda ng Hulk na to. Grey Hulk version from Marvel Legends. So start tayo dito kay Bruce Banner. Meron siyang removable na eyeglasses. Yung frame ng eyeglasses niya color black, tapos transparent yung mga lenses. And ito yung face sculpt niya. Okay. Very nice, very crisp paint job, lalo na sa eyes. Hindi naman siya goofy looking. Very cool yung kanyang expression. Para talaga siyang scientist or doctor. Ganda ng sculpt ng face, very high contrast yung kanyang color palette. So you have the whites, the oranges, and the blues. At yung orange and tsaka blues nagko-complement with each other. Ganda ng contrast din. And also you have the brown leather shoes for additional contrast. Yan, yung hair niya may sculpt din. Ganda ng mga groupings ng hair. Very nice, parang naka-wave. So brush up siya, one side na naka-wave papunta dito sa likod. Then you have the ear muscles, lips, chin, and then yung kanyang polo shirt sa loob. Orange yung color, very muted orange. Parang ganito rin pala. Ayan. So match na match yung kanyang orange dito kay Hulk. So pag nag-transform siya, pwede nating isuot yung polo na to kay Hulk. So then you have the white na lab gown, yung mga pockets din, buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. Ayan. Tapos long sleeve din yung kanyang lab gown. And then sa likod naman ganun din, parang trench coat style na mahaba. Then you have the belt buckle, silver, tapos you have the blue pants. Very nice sculpt, may mga folds din yung pants para mas realistic siya tingnan. And then you have the leather shoes na meron ding sintas. Okay? Next, dito na tayo kay Hulk. Ganda ng design ng Hulk na to. So you have the gray version ng Hulk. Meron din siyang alt head, yung hindi nakikita yung kanyang teeth. Pero everything else is the same except the teeth. Yun lang yung difference nitong head sculpt na to. Actually pati yung hair pala. So mas nakababa yung bangs na dito. Dito parang may mga extensions pa yung bangs. Tapos naka-flow pa sa side yung ibang portions ng kanyang hair. Okay. And then you also have the out hands. Ito yung fisted hands. And then the open palms na parang naka-flex. Okay. Sa details ng Grey Hulk, very muscular. Mabigat siya compared dun sa 6-inch na Marvel Legends. And then you have the additional accessory. Ito yung polo niya. So parang transformation ni Bruce Banner papunta dito kay Grey Hulk. And then you also have, tanggalin ko muna para mas madali natin i-review. So meron siyang mga pockets, may mga wrinkles. Syempre battle damage na siya, so napunit na. And then yung face sculpt niya, very nice, very comic book style looking. Yung eyebrows niya naka-protrude. And then very deep yung eye sockets. Tapos naka-green yung kanyang teeth. And then you have the hair na mayroong blue dry brushing sa sa tips or sa strands. Then you have the body, the muscle, grabe, ang laki niya compared dito kay kay Bruce Banner. So very nice, maraming real estate for customization process. You have the chest, the stomach, back muscles, the biceps, may mga veins pa dito. Yung gray color niya medyo light gray, hindi siya yung primary gray, hindi siya yung primer gray na style. So mas light siya compared dun sa mga gray na paint from Hero Paints. Then you have the steel pipe na kinrush niya dito. Ganda na accessory na to. Customize din natin yan. Then you have the blue pants. May battle damage din dito. Weathered. So ripped pants. Hindi siya shorts. So pants siya. And then you have the calf muscles. Sobrang laki. And then you have the feet. Ang laki ng feet, very nice, para mas stable siya, hindi siya tutumba. So that's it mga ma'am sir. Ang gandang display piece na to, kunwari nagta-transform siya, yan, magkatabi silang ganyan. Magandang addition sa inyong collection. So that's it. Kustomize na natin to in a while. So thank you very much for watching and see you. Ay, di pa pala, articulation pa pala, kalimutan ko. Up, articulation muna tayo rito kay Bruce Banner. Up, down, 360 pwede, okay? Tapos rotation, pati kamay can rotate, bicep rotation. Tapos double jointed elbow, flexible material tong lab gown, can flex yung abs. Tapos meron din siyang necktie pala, soft plastic lang, can stretch, okay, back and forth. Tapos kick, then outside, kick outside. Tapos double jointed yung kanyang knees. Tapos yung paa, pwede ring iikot. Yan, something like that. Pwede ba natin to i-rotate? Yan, pwede rin. Meron lang mga natirang plastic dito. Pwede natin tanggalin yan. Okay. Tapos dito naman kay Hulk, removable yung kanyang shirt. Pwede mong iangat yung kanyang head. Rotate 360, pwede ba? Okay, pwede. Tapos yung arms can rotate 360 din. May butterfly joint, pero mostly backwards lang. Okay lang kasi pwede niyang panghampas yung panghampas na mga poses. Tapos rotation biceps, double jointed na elbow, pero hanggang dito lang, less than 90. Tapos ball joint yung kamay, can move up and down. Pwede mong i-twist tong kanyang torso. Meron ding rotation tong kanyang waist. Yung paa can kick. Tapos may thigh cut din, you can rotate that 360. And then yung kanyang legs, knee, double articulation, double jointed pala, sorry. And then yung paa can move, yan, meron din siyang ball joint dyan. Tapos you can move up and down. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Yun articulation. And super nice na display to sa inyong Hulk collection or Marvel display. Thank you very much for watching. See you sa next video. Bye bye.